Hey guys, so this video we're going to take a look at this Sari Coast reciprocating saw. It's DeWALT compatible, as you can see. It uses DeWALT 20-volt batteries. The battery is not included. You get a bunch of blades. You see I have this like pruning style blade here. It's got a tool-free blade change, just a little spring-loaded guy there to change the blade. It's variable speed. And then at the bottom we have a battery level indicator on one side and 3 speed controls on the other. I thought we'd hack away a little bit on this dead apple tree. Actually kind of an aggressive thing to cut because it's an apple tree and it's dead. It's not like cutting a pine tree. But it'll give you an idea how this thing works anyway. It's the OG power stack battery, by the way, if I didn't mention that before. Let's see if we can reach something a little bit more difficult that's not like a huge branch. See what it does with this. A little bigger than I was thinking, but this is what we can reach. Boom! Branch down. Well, that worked pretty good. That's pretty aggressive for this thing. Let's see what kind of battery life we got. Oh yeah, 2 out of 3 bars. Well, there it is, a quick look, but I say that proves it works. Thanks for watching.